How to reset or retrieve TrustWallet account password. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, first and foremost, open up your TrustWallet and make sure to log in into your account. Now from here, you have to tap on the settings option at the top. Select your wallet and tap on the three-dot icon. In secret phrase backup, tap on the manual to get access to your secret code. Now once you have received your secret code, make sure to delete your account. Now, deleting by it means logging out of your account. From here, to log in back, tap on Add Existing Wallet. Select Secret Phrase. Select the option of Multi-Coin Wallet. For safety reason, I was not able to screen record this process. However, you have to enter your secret phrase and make sure to never share your secret phrase with anyone. Now once you type in your secret phrase, you will be able to reset or retrieve your password of your Trust Wallet. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.